The molded-in rod holders on your Hobie kayak have a new best friend, the adjustable rod extender. This fits right into your molded-in rod holder and is fully adjustable. It rotates in any direction inside of the molded-in rod holder and then adjusts from side to side using this lever. Once it's adjusted to the desired angle, secure it using these two straps. A removable gimbal pin allows you to use rods with gimbal fittings, or you can take it out and use any kind of spinning or conventional reel. The final step is to loosen this red knob and adjust the reel holder to the desired position. Tighten the red knob back up and your rod's going to be sitting in the perfect orientation. If you're a serious kayak angler, visit hobiefishing.com to see more fun and exciting products like Hobie's adjustable rod extender.